So I wanted to show y'all how I maintain my mini twists and a few styles that you can do once your mini twists start to get old. So let's get right into it. These mini twists, okay, so let me tell y'all what I did. I actually, if you saw my last video where I did mini twists with weave, I literally took those out, and as I was taking them out one at a time, I was just retwisting my natural hair. I'm gonna use a little bit of my conditioning curl cream all over. Now, if you didn't catch my live when I was styling my mini twist live, I was kind of doing exactly what I'm doing here, but I use my conditioning curl cream because it's a lot thicker and you don't have to worry about your curls reverting. These have shrunken a little bit, but not so much, and I'm trying to keep them stretched out as much as possible because one thing about twists, like once they start shrinking up, that's when you're going to get a lot of those tangles. So you want to avoid those tangles as much as possible. So don't use anything too wet on the twist. On my mini braids, I like to use my my spray, my hair milk, but I wouldn't recommend using the hair milk on mini twists because in my experience it just makes them tangle up. Now next, I'm just going to use a little bit of my Max Hold styling jelly. My Max Hold styling jelly, I'm going to focus only on the ends. You don't want to, like I said, revert that curl, and we all know that gel is really wet. So you're just pretty much going to do your ends just to get a nice curl on there. This year, I'm pretty much gonna probably be keeping it kind of simple with the mini twist and the mini braids because I'm really focusing on length retention this year. So I'm gonna be wearing protective styles that kind of last. I might do a few other things in between, but yeah. All right, so let me show you a couple curls kind of up close so you can see what I'm doing. So that's before. It's before any products. And then we're just gonna take a little bit of gel. We're gonna see how long these last. They've been stretched out for, you know, a good amount of time. So I'm hoping if they continue to stay stretched out, then I should be good. I've been working out and I sweat a lot, but I'm focusing on doing like low intensity cardio. So a lot of walking. I'm not doing any high intensity cardio, so I'm not really sweating as much. And obviously it's like winter time, so it's not really hot. So I think that's why these are lasting longer than my mini twists usually do without getting, you know, so old looking and shrunken. I will say though, my hair has grown quite a bit since my last set of mini twists. So that's always encouraging. So one of my favorite styles to do is a claw clip style. I like to leave a couple of these pieces down. I'm gonna do 3 on each side. Yeah, I'm gonna do like that, leave a few pieces down, and then I'm just gonna pull this back. And if you watched like my mini braid style videos, you know that this is one of my favorite styles. I'm just gonna take the rest Now when I do my baby hair, I like to brush it forward and then swoop. And everybody's baby hair is going to be different based on the way that your hairline is, how much baby hair you have. So everybody's looks a little different. So you just have to figure out how you like it. I don't like it to have that part back here, so I try to make that part look as filled in as possible. And then I bring them forward and then swoop them backwards. And when I have that extra hair right here that's kind of like poking out, clip. These little clips are super cute and trendy, but they save me from having that extra frizz over here. And then I just take a little bit of this
So as I do a few more styles, I want to remind you that you can get all of the products that you've seen in this video at kellyloganhair.com. I have a full range of products, everything that you might need to wash, moisturize, and style your hair. And they're specifically made for people with hair like you and me. So if you want to get those products, you can get them at kellyloganhair.com. Right now, I am sold out of my braid and lock gel and my hair and scalp grease, but those will be back in stock very soon. Thank you so much for your patience. And as always, thank you guys for supporting me. You guys are extremely supportive. If you want to purchase those products, you can use the code YouTube15 and you get a special little discount for just to show my appreciation for you guys. But until next time, I hope everybody has a great hair day and I will see you in the next one. All right, bye.